This has to be the most convenient toilet that I've ever experienced. When you approach it, the lid automatically lifts. And with the hands-free foot kick option, you never have to touch the seat. 1 kick raises the lid, 2 kicks raise the lid and the seat, and 3 kicks lowers both the lid and the seat and flushes the toilet. Of course, once you're finished and you leave, the lid and seat auto-close and the toilet auto-flushes. I know I'm not the only one who has to wake up in the middle of the night to visit the bathroom. Turning on all the lights often causes me to be fully awake and makes it way more difficult to get back to sleep. In dark environments, the X70 lights up the bowl and splashes calm ambient light on the wall behind it, acting as a night light so you don't have to turn on the harsh overhead lights at night. There's also an intelligent dual flush that gives you 2 options, an eco-friendly low consumption mode and a more powerful mode. It's customizable, efficient, and the toilet does the thinking for you. There's another fun feature here that's not exactly necessary, but entertaining nonetheless: rhythmic ambient lighting that responds to music. Play some music near the toilet and the ambient lights pulse and change with the rhythm. Is it essential? Not really. Is it a fun touch that makes your bathroom feel more modern and playful? Absolutely. It's one of those features that just makes you smile. I definitely went into this not knowing what to expect from a smart toilet, and the X70 genuinely surprised me. The flushing power, the cleanliness features, the comfort, the automation, it all just works, and it's made a real difference in my daily routine.